Hey guys, I know I'm not the only one who wanted e.tv Scandal to end exactly how it ended. I wanted it to end with everyone living their best lives. Umdala noTlogi living happily ever after Ule Island, uTinhle starting her own business, uPotsotso ngalana starting his own business, uVuvu ngalana nomuntu wakhe. This is exactly how I wanted this show to end. One thing that I got disappointed on is Mthunzi Mayiza. I really didn't want Mthunzi Mayiza to be that family man that they've made him to be. I wanted Mthunzi Mayiza to be that manipulator. Apho loya muntu loya nohluphayo mfethu mhlawumbe kuthi hayi Africa yonke manje sekuphethe umthunzi the Raymond Reddington type of way. But then angazi guys, let's talk about e.tv Scandal's finale here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scoring down so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, siqala ngalaphi? Asiqale ngumdala noTlogi. I know that you all knew these guys were still alive. Ukuthi nje besinama doubts then thinking that they might be dead. And abantu abenze yonke lonto leyo ukuthi be difficult bekade kuVuvu noTebs because they made it so believable these guys are really dead. I was also actually starting to doubt ukuthi awungeke. Could it be possible labantu laba feel, because if you look at Vuvu and Tebs' reactions on the funeral, so they know nothing about the fact that Umdala noTlogi are still alive. But then I'm clear that Machida are good. They're overseas now, living their lives, staying in some island. Kuhle kuyabukeza, we are seeing on screen right now. One thing that they did, I don't understand. They should say second away, right, like some beach or some island around Lana in South Africa. This scene, why would they use AI? Hi man, but it's fine. It was a finale, so I enjoyed it. Now, another person that I also wanted to talk about was uTinhle. Ever since I started watching e.tv Scandal, uTinhle is always either in trouble or having a difficult time in his life. Can you imagine from Quentin Nyati dying? You can tell uTinhle never had a good life, never had a happy life. All the time. So I'm really glad that the show ended with her, starting her own business, happy and everything. I was really worried. Thinking that, oh man, Tinhle is dying. I was so pissed. Why would they kill her? On the show, why would they decide to kill Tinhle? Hi guys. But then, as I've mentioned, I'm really glad that she's still alive and very much happy. Started her own business. Who have been assisting her all along. So, it's good. Now, one thing that I didn't like about the show, Talita as well. Talita Mshubeli. Now, that's the only person who's not living her best life because Ulapa jail and she's being punished for her sins. Some guys, we are seeing on the screen right now, she's not having it good lapha jail. Then Umthunzi Mayiza, hi guys, no. Umthunzi was meant to be that cruel guy, the manipulator, that thief. Yeah, I wanted the show to end with him like a Pilimpili right, but I play Umthunzi is that one person who was never meant to be a family man. I can tell Nalia character of being a family man, and everything. Nah, it really doesn't suit him. Really. So guys, comment down in the comment section. What did you think about the finale of e.tv Scandal? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video, and this is the last video that I'm posting about e.tv Scandal. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.